Atomic TV. This is Robin Banks and my co-anchor, Just in Case.
Hi guys, this is Just in Case. Today we should meet up with several physicists and chemists like Democritus, Dalton, J.J. Thomson, Rutherford, and Bohr.
Hello, who's
This
this?
is Just in Case from Atomic TV.
Oh, hey, welcome. Come on in. All right, come sit down.
Nice house you got here. So Democritus, I heard you had some recent big discovery. Mind telling us about it?
Yes, see, I expanded on some existing theories of scientists.
Uh-huh.
I said that atoms are infinite in number and size, shape, they're indestructible, they're always in motion, and most of the atom will always be occupied by empty space. However, nobody believed me because I didn't use something that people like. It's called the scientific method.
Too bad, man. I'm sorry, but good work anyways. Thanks for the interview.
This man really knows what he's talking about.
I agree with you. Alright, now we're gonna take a break and we'll be right back.
Have you seen this man? Our security cameras caught him trying to rob a bank. Can I help you?
No! Oh! Yo, Robin Banks in!
Alright guys, welcome back to Atomic TV. Just to recap, we interviewed Democritus earlier. Now we're gonna interview Dalton. Alright, so Dalton, how exactly did you come up with your atomic theory? What is it basically? Can you explain to us?
Well, my theory is more accurate than others. Basically, I said that atoms are indestructible and indivisible.
Wait, didn't Democritus say that?
Yeah, he said it too. See, I was really accurate. I used a scientific method. So basically, I figured out that atoms of the same element have the same mass and the same properties. And also that during chemical reactions, atoms can never be destroyed, but they can be rearranged and they form compounds.
I'm sure the viewers want to know, how exactly did you come up about this theory?
Well, I was studying stoichiometry, which is basically the study of mass relationships in chemical reactions. So I noticed a regularity with chemical compounds, and this led me to the idea that there must be atoms combining in a regular way to have like similar masses and properties. So I did some research and I came up with this atomic theory. And
also I've heard something else. Is it similar to compounds, but what exactly is an isotope? I've heard of it a lot, but
well, basically isotopes are atoms of the same element, except they have a different amount of neutrons, which makes them have...
Can you give like an example of two?
So, for example, hydrogen 1 it's the most common isotope, has 0 neutrons. And then there could also be hydrogen 2, which has 1 neutron.
And then also they're different.
They have the same chemical properties, but different masses. So that was the only thing I was wrong about when I said that the same atoms of the same element have the same masses. That's not always.
I see.
That's not always true. And also another thing I was wrong about was that atoms are never created or destroyed. They actually are in nuclear reactions.
Nuclear reactions, like the atom bomb?
What is that? Firecracker?
Never mind.
Oh man, I need a pen.
Oops, sorry, I missed.
Now it's time to present our footage on J.J. Thomson.
Before we do that, just a little recap. We interviewed Democritus and Dalton earlier, and now we shall proceed.
Get off the road!
No.
What is it?
This is Robin Banks from Atomic TV. Can I ask you some questions?
Is this some FBI case?
No, sir, just about your atomic theory.
Oh yeah, no problem. See, basically, I discovered the electron. It's a negative charged particle, right? I use cathode ray tubes. Basically, you shoot a beam through a vacuum tube. And I figured out that if you use positively charged plates, right, and you put it next to the tube, the beam actually bends. So I came to the conclusion that they're small particles, which have to be negatively charged, because the beam is positive. Thus, it moves toward the charged plate. So I discovered that there must be something negatively charged. I'm calling it the electron. Anything else?
That's about it, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Hey! I saw you in some FBI wanted case. Whatever.
Right back with the word from our sponsors. Coming up next, we're going to have an interview with Rutherford.
Did you know that 1 ounce of gold can be made into a gold wire 80 kilometers long? Buy now, a $60 value. Get jewelry and gold online now for only 9 payments of $10.99.
Now it's about time to get Rutherford on the line. Justin?
Let me give him a call. George W. Bush, Sammy, and
Who'll be winning the Minesweeper? Moneymaker be winning the Minesweeper. Just lost in Minesweeper. Who the heck is calling me? Hello? Is this some kind of donation thing? Yo, I'm sick. Oh, just in case from Atomic TV. Oh, how you doing? Yeah. Oh, my atomic theory. Well, basically, I'm credited for discovering and finding the nucleus. Well, it all started one fine evening. I conducted this experiment. No, not silver. I used a gold foil, right? No. Yes, yeah, right. And then I let these alpha particles. I let them go through, but at first I just expecting them to go through. But all of a sudden I see these alpha particles like deflecting off the gold foil. I'm like, rah. So yeah, exactly. Yeah, I expected them to go straight through the foil, but then all of a sudden they just started deflecting. So I'm like, there must be a positive force in the middle of the atom, right? Consisting of protons, right? Correct. Yeah, yeah, that's what caused the deflection. Correct. Right. So I was credited with the nucleus because I knew that there had to be a positive center for the deflection to occur. No, it's alright. Pepperoni's fine. Alright. Alright, see you later. Alright, folks, this is the last segment of Atomic TV for today. Chemistry is not so boring, after all. My calling's building in Budweiser in Copenhagen to interview Bohr.
Excuse me?
yes.
Oh, hi there. This is Bill Ding from Atomic TV.
And I'm
What would you like?
Budweiser.
We'd like to ask you a few questions about your atomic theory.
Wait, where can I get some beer?
Beer, Van Steuben Street, red building. You should see it
Someone say
clearly.
my name.
No.
Alright, so as we're saying, yeah.
So we just want to ask a couple questions on your atomic. So tell us about these advancements you made on the atomic theory.
Yo, basically, I discovered the energy parts of an atom, basically electrons that revolve in orbits farther away from the nucleus have greater energy. If you jump to higher energy levels, then to lower energy levels, light can be emitted. Also, electrons that can absorb photons to go to higher energy levels.
Where'd you figure this out?
Basically, my colleagues and I were researching all this stuff for over like a decade.
Damn.
And we ended up finding this in Cambridge, actually Copenhagen University. Have you heard of it?
Yeah, actually I have.
Right around that corner, next to the place there, the beer. You can just find it.
Oh,
It's
sweet.
like it's like grayish building, pretty old.
Okay.
All right, thanks.
Alright, so I'm Bud, interviewing Bohr from Copenhagen.
Now back to Robin.
1 second.
What? Just in, Robin Banks has been arrested.
The infamous banker who's been taken in. Alright, back to you, Justin.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time at 5. Unfortunately, Robin couldn't make it as apparently he got arrested for a bank robbery. See you next week.
Welcome to Atomic TV. This is me, Robin Vance. I'm a co-anchor, just in case.
This is just in case. Breaking news. Chemistry is not so boring anymore. Earlier today, I interviewed several physicists. What the hell, Nick?
Alright, come sit down.
Yes, I agree.
You're recording.
Have you seen this man? There you go. Can I help you?
The light's not.
Oh man, I need a pen.
Who's that? Hey, your phone. Oh, there. My favorite. Yo, Matt.
Nick, you're an idiot.
Alright.
This is going on Facebook.
Oh yeah, we got it. No, don't.
Let's go on Facebook.
Get off the road!
The 1 ounce of gold. Give me.
Oh, who be winning in my speaker? This is our final segment for today, America. We managed to get my college.
Ghost!
Why is it?
India blackout.
Dude, it's not India, bro. How about not?
Well, basically, I discovered the energy parts of the atom. Basically, electrons that revolve in one quantum nucleus type of interaction. Also, to jump to higher energy levels,
That was good. That was my bad. You guys just fight, okay?
Should I just like jump on him?
No, actually, you have to memorize. It looks really bad if you're looking down.
Okay.
Don't read it directly. You're gonna get points up. You gotta memorize.
You're not even looking at me. This is
Yeah, I'm looking at both of you.
paper.
I can't see paper. You're looking down though.
Huh?
Don't just look, make some eye contact.